So today I want to talk to you about the first row of your crochet project. So normally you would do your chain and then you would crochet into the chain, so the back loop here of your chain. Now this creates a nice neat first row, but it can be a little bit tight on the bottom, and you get the nice V stitches on the top, but the bottom is kind of thinner and you don't get the same edging. So one thing that we can do is, instead of crocheting into the chain, we can crochet into the back bump. So I'm going to show you what that is now. So here's my crochet chain, and that's the front of the chain. You can see these nice interlocking V's. Now if we turn that over, here you've got these little bumps that go in between each of the V strands that run down the outside. So if my first row was double crochets, I would turn the work over and I'm going to skip that first back bump just like we would normally skip the chain, and I'm going to double crochet into the second back bump. So it really helps if you hold the chain with the bumps facing up, so pinch it with your thumb and finger just below the bump, and then you can insert your hook quite easily into that bump and double crochet. Move your thumb down to the next one, hold it, so you're kind of pulling the chain to keep the tension. We've got that double crochet, so then we're moving on to the next back bump here. So we're going to hold it with our thumb and finger, hook through, double crochet, and just keep working along those back bumps, moving your thumb down each time to hold just below. Just keep working like that till you get to the end, and you can see you've got the lovely V's on the top, and if you turn it over you've got the same V's on the bottom. So it just makes it a lot neater, makes it a little bit stretchier, and then if you need to come and join or crochet along this bottom band later on, it's a lot easier to do.